Yo, we're gonna blow up on YouTube the right way. You see, YouTube is a cutthroat business model. If someone makes a better video of the same topic that you did, then they will get more views than you. Plain and simple. So what am I getting at? It's what you clicked on this video for, the non-ethical way of blowing up on YouTube. You see, you don't always have to reinvent the wheel. There are tons of videos on the same topic, and the top performing ones get tons of views regardless on if the subject has been talked about already. Look at influencer drama, for example. FouseyTube has been blowing up on Kick and has been making waves in the influencer space, and this resulted in a bunch of YouTubers talking about him. Moist Critical, Sensitive Society, Dull and Darkest, and many more people on the platform. These guys are all making videos on the same topic but with different editing and thumbnail styles, and they are getting thousands of views. We can do the exact same thing, and if you want to blow up on YouTube, you can take a topic and recreate it in your own words/style. This is business in itself. Think about it this way. There's not just one brand of chocolate. There's Hershey's, Kit Kat, Coffee Crisp, etc. They all make chocolate, but they all have a different flavor/branding. But back to YouTube, you don't just have to make influencer drama videos. This can be used in literally every single niche. If you're having trouble picking a niche, join my Discord or even invest in yourself and get a consulting call with me. I'll get you in the right direction. There's only 9 spots left. So now that you got a niche, or maybe you already had one, it's time to get to work. What you're gonna do is find a topic that is proved to already be interesting to the viewer, and here's your chance to remake the video, but in your own style. So first, you got your video that you want to recreate. Let's save hours of time doing research by summarizing the video in bullet points in less than a minute. I'm going to take this video for example. This will impact every shorts creator on YouTube. It's 8 minutes long. I want to summarize it in less than a minute. So I'm going to click the video. I'm going to go to these little 3 dots here, go to show transcript. You want to untoggle your timestamps. So you just go here, toggle timestamps, and you want to just copy the whole transcript. This is automatically generated on YouTube, so every video has one. Just copy, go to ChatGPT and say, summarize this script in bullet point. Then copy the script, Control V, press enter, and you are going to get a full summary of the video in bullet points. So once you have your video that you want to recreate summarized, let's get to the real work. I'm going to warn you right now, this method of blowing up on YouTube only works if you're genuinely doing something unique. If you just reword a video and have the same bland thumbnail style as everyone else, you're probably going to get a low CTR and a low impression count. Because think of it, why would YouTube recommend a small channel like yours if you're like everyone else? You need to do something unique to get the algorithm and the viewers' attention. Here's my tip. Do not hold your personality back. Add weird music, add some different imagery, do something unique, and think outside of the box. I'm working with a few guys one-on-one, link in the description by the way, and we're focusing on doing something unique to catch the viewers' attention in order to get my boys thousands of views. So once you have a great video that you recreated and in your own personality, we're pretty much already at the finish line, and you might just see your first viral video. But this last step is either your ticket to blowing up on YouTube and getting closer to monetization, or your ticket to a video that gets 13 views and 2 likes. The thumbnail. More than likely, if you make a super high quality thumbnail, but it looks like everyone else's thumbnail, you probably won't get a lot of impressions and your CTR might just be low. Why do I say this? Because people have already seen those generic thumbnails thousands of times before. You need to stand out, and you don't need to make your thumbnails perfect. You just need to capture the eye of your viewer. Do something shocking. Be bold. Don't be afraid to make a different thumbnail. I'll give you one free tip. Don't put too much in your thumbnail. So I hope you had your pen and paper and wrote down some notes, because this is the non-ethical formula of blowing up on YouTube. So if you want me to help you build your YouTube channel, definitely check out my Buy Me a Coffee page. It's going to be in the link in the description below, as well as the pinned comment. I have 1 supporter right now, and I'm only accepting 9 more people, so it's only going to be 10 people that I'm going to be helping out at the moment. It's 20 bucks a month, and basically I'm going to do video consultation calls with you. Well, calling because I don't show my face, but one-on-one help with your YouTube channels, with your thumbnails, video scripting, titling, etc. I'll basically hop on Photoshop and make your thumbnails better as well. And I'm typically just gonna get you right and get you in the right direction with YouTube. So if you want to work with me, join and then drop your Discord here to recent supporters, and then we'll get working right away. So I can't wait to see you guys there. Join the Discord, like and subscribe. See you later. Peace. Thanks for watching.